Hello there and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to teach you how to play Rock With You. The song starts with actually it doesn't do that, it just starts with, and then you've got these chords, and those chords are A flat but with B flat in the bass. It's like a sus chord. We would actually call that B flat sus, up to a standard B flat. And I am playing on Rhodes. You can play on, electric piano. You can play on normal piano, but I actually prefer the electric piano sound. And then it goes in the right hand. So and then and we go to B this time, A flat over B flat. And again it's a sus chord, C sharp sus. We're gonna call that B over C sharp, right? There's that first one again, A flat over B flat to B over C sharp. So A flat again. Okay, A flat to B, and then we go again, and we play those again, and we have obviously you haven't got enough hands to do the bass, the chords, and that, but you could do like that, and hopefully there's a bass player in your band playing those notes. Hit the E there. Didn't mean to. I wanna rock with you. Okay. It doesn't start with the chorus. It actually starts, of course, with a verse. And the first verse, I'm sure you know the lyrics, but yeah, I'm going to sing them for you. Go, go, go. That's where the first note is. Go, go, go. That's actually where it is. Go, close your eyes. Okay, go, close your eyes. It's actually G flat over A flat in the bass. Let that rhythm get into you. Okay, A flat over B flat again. Go, close your eyes. Let that rhythm get into you. We go down to G flat major 7. Don't try to fight it. That's F minor 7. There ain't nothing that you can do. That's B major, and then we go to G flat over A flat again. Okay, let's do it again slowly. Go, close your eyes, let that rhythm get into you. That's E flat minor 9, G flat major over A flat over B flat. And don't try to fight it. Actually, I went too early to the G flat major. My apologies. It stays on that E flat minor 9 again. Don't try. It's the same chord but a different bass note. Don't try to fight it. Same 3. There ain't nothing that you can do. Now we go to G flat in the bass. Again, same chord, different bass note. Relax your mind. And then that F minor 7 comes in. Okay, B major 7. Lay back and groove with mine. That's B major, and then to G flat over A flat. Groove with mine. Okay, now we have 3 chords in quick succession. Okay, that's E flat minor 7, F minor 7, G flat major. I always played them just as triads, but you could play them as with the extensions. We gon' ride the boogie. And there it just says A flat, G flat over A flat. We're gonna share that beat. So the first one is share that, we're gonna feel that beat, and we gon' ride the boogie. Let's do it with the extensions. We gonna feel that beat, and we gon' ride the boogie. Let's do it again. Share that beat of love. G flat over A flat, I don't think is right. Share that beat of love. It's definitely A flat there. That's what it says on my app. This is, by the way, iReal Pro, which is the one I use. On Ultimate Guitar, it says to go to G flat there. Share that beat of love. That doesn't sound good. Love. I think A flat and a B flat in the bass sounds the best. Share that E flat minor 9. Rock with you, A flat over B flat all night. Same bass note for both of those chords, but it's A flat to B flat chords. Dance you in today, B over C sharp. We saw this in the intro, remember? Wanna rock with you all night, rock the night away. G flat to A flat. Let's do it again. Rock with you, E flat minor 9 to A flat and B flat. Dance you in today. I wanna rock with you, yeah, all night. Gonna rock the night away. Okay, verse 2. Out on the floor. That's E flat minor 9 to G flat again. There ain't nobody there but us. Okay. Girl, that singing tune, girl, when you dance, there's a magic that must be love. And there's actually some melody there. I forgot to mention it in the first verse, but it's after that first half of the verse. Out on the floor, there ain't nobody there but us. Girl, when you dance, there's a magic that must be love. Okay, major 7, G flat major 7. Just take it slow, down a half step to the minor 7, F minor. B major, cause we got major 7, cause we got so G flat over A flat. Far to go, and then here we go with those 3 again. Feel that, when you feel that heat, when you feel that heat. Well, are we gonna ride the boogie and share that beat of love? I copied that chord there again, but I really think it's A flat. Share that beat of love. Definitely, right? Definitely. I wanna rock with you. Back to the chorus. Dance you into the sunlight. I wanna rock with you all night. Gonna rock the night away. Here we go with the post-chorus now, or bridge, you could call it a bridge. And when the groove is dead and gone, let's just check this video, make sure you can still see what I'm playing. You sure can. Sometimes the Chordy app will stutter, but not today. Everything's swimmingly, moving swimmingly. And when the groove, that's actually B flat minor 9. Here's an excellent voicing for you. It says B flat minor 7, and when the groove is dead and gone, to E flat. I'm playing that E flat dominant 9. You can also put the 9 in there. So let's put both the 9s in. It's also known as the 2. In B flat, it would be a C. So instead of playing the B flat, I'm going to play a C. And now it's a minor 9 chord. And when the groove is dead and gone. Ooh. That time I played E flat dominant, but I added in a sharp 5. That's spicy. And when the groove is dead and gone. There it is without the sharp 5, just a normal 5. And when the groove is dead and gone. Again, you can play just minor 7. And when the groove is dead and gone. You know that love survives. G flat major 7 to F minor 9. Back to that B major 7, so we can rock G flat over A flat forever. And now we've got the bridge, which is ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Instead of bass, let's do it with chords. E flat minor 9. A flat to B flat. Remember, this is A flat to B. This one's A flat to B flat to B. I wanna rock with you. I wanna groove with you. Let's do it again. Okay. To B. This time it's all 3. I wanna rock with you. I wanna groove with you. Okay, it does that twice. This is the second time. But this time, I wanna rock with you, I wanna groove with you. Groove is gonna go up a key. So we have a C over D in the bass. groove with you. We're gonna go up to E now, upper semitone. I wanna rock with you. Rock. Oh, I can't sing it, shit. Rock with you, girl. Rock, 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 rock with you, rock with you. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum. I wish I could find the key for the key change. It's only upper semitone. Come on. Let's go back to the previous one again. I wanna rock with you, I wanna groove with you. Okay, same melody. But now it's A to B. E minor 9. C over D. And then we got all three again. Ah, no, not all three. A to B. And then we go dance the night away. Dance, 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 dance. Oh, dance, dance, dance. Oh, forget it. Never mind. It's not a singing lesson anyway. Dance the night away. I wanna rock with you. Rock you in today. I found it. I wanna rock with you, yeah. Rock the night away. And then instead of, we've got to go up a tone, so upper semitone, sorry. I think we used to end it on that G to A in the band. And two more. And again. Something like that to finish. And that's the whole song, Rock With You. There's a little key change at the end there. And as long as you know your major sevens, minor sevens, dominant sevens, you'll be fine. Don't forget that bridge section there. You can have some funky ones there. B flat minor 9. When the groove is dead and gone. And when that groove is dead and gone. Or you know that love survives and we can rock forever. Okay. As always, thanks for watching Between the Keys. I'll practice my singing for next time. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe. Next up, I have some more songs by either Stevie Wonder or Superstition. No, Stevie Wonder or Michael Jackson. Not sure yet. Maybe some more Bruno Mars. Much more stuff to come. If you have any requests, please put them below. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.